Well, myself Jagendra Rana. We are taking up today the topic e-insurance is mandatory for all policyholders. E-insurance is mandatory for all policyholders. See, the India's insurance regulator, that is IRDAI, has made the things digital. From April 1st, 2024, all insurance policies will be issued electronically. So here is the breakdown. The system introduced is e-insurance. Now what is this e-insurance? It's managing your insurance plans, maybe life, health, etc. electronically in a secure online account called an e-insurance account. That is EIA, e-insurance account. Why is it good? No more paperwork is there. View, download and manage all policies in one place. Less risk of losing documents compared to physical copies. Update details once in your EIA and it reflects across all linked policies. And easily track policy details and renewal dates. So the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India recently introduced the Protection of Policyholders Interest Regulations 2024, effective from April 1st, 2024. This regulation mandates the conversion of all insurance policies into electronic format. So in an email interview with businesses, with the news reports, that sheds light on the implications of e-insurance addressing concerns ranging from operational security to the battle against scams. So the first one is holding an e-insurance policy compulsory for all policyholders. It is now compulsory for all policies to be issued in electronic form, irrespective of the application's method. This initiative now not only offers convenience but also significantly increases the security and management of policyholders' portfolios. The majority of private life insurance companies and non-life insurers have accepted the electronic insurance account mechanism, actively encouraging policyholders to digitize their policy holdings. Then several customers have reported receiving emails from Policy Journey by CMS repository containing sensitive information such as PAN, phone number and name. What is the authenticity of these communications? So this is a rising concern over email scams. The emails from Policy Journey by CMS repository are part of the efforts to onboard policyholders onto the EIA platform, adhering strictly to the communications protocol defined by IRDAI. So the robust security mechanism ensures the protection of customers' data at all times. So the representatives will never send any sales or marketing communication to EIA holders enticing them to purchase insurance or pay any money. EIA and basic services offered are free of charge for the policyholders. So the documents have to be maintained in digital form and help policyholders realize the maximum benefit from their insurance portfolio. If customers see any deviation from these norms, they can and should immediately connect with their helpline or support email to let us know. CAMS representatives maintain detailed record of all communications sent to its customers and is periodically audited by IRDAI to ensure security standards are complied with. So the transition to e-insurance is not merely about digital conversion, but also about significantly improving the policyholder experience. Holding an e-policy provides unmatched security and the convenience of managing an entire insurance portfolio in one place. There are many instances where policyholders move out of India and find this mechanism so handy. Many insurers have been able to connect to their policyholders and settle unclaimed amount as they could find updated contact details through EIA. So with the consolidation of insurance policies into a single e-insurance account, policyholders gain a level of oversight and management previously unattainable. Our platform Bima Central is evidence of the ease of use and management it offers to policyholders. Our 7 million customers will have access to Bima Central, which is a first ever integrated and aggregated benefit realization platform. It allows the EIA holders to view their consolidated benefit across policies, renew policies, update nominees and bank accounts on their policies in real time with insurers. As insurers are getting onboarded, there are new use cases like policy loan, premium financing, claim readiness getting added to the platform. So addressing security concern, all security controls are maintained following all necessary norms and conditions. So data stored in servers are encrypted. All security control measures are tested on a regular basis. This includes two-factor authentication for login, regular VAPT testing. VAPT means vulnerability assessment, penetration testing, to assess emerging cyber threats, dark trace, etc. to ensure that our servers, network, data and applications are secure at all times. A strong internal control and governance in place through a board-approved cybersecurity and crisis management policy. So in fact, the CAMS representatives was the first insurance repository to complete the cybersecurity audit as per the IRDAI's latest InfoSec guidelines in 2023. Opening an e-insurance account and converting to e-policies are offered at no cost to the customers. So insurance repository means a company formed and registered under the Companies Act 1956 and one which has been granted a certificate of registration by Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority for maintaining data of insurance policies in electronic form on behalf of insurers. So the insurance repositories provide the ease of holding insurance policies issued in an electronic form. The objective of creating an insurance repository is to provide policyholders a facility to keep insurance policies in electronic form and to undertake changes, modifications and revisions in the insurance policies with speed and accuracy. In addition, the repository acts as a single step for several policy service requirements. The insurance repository system also brings about efficiency and transparency in the issuance and maintenance of insurance policies. Only an entity which is registered under Companies Act and who is granted a certificate of registration by Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority can act as an insurance repository. Insurance repository cannot sell or solicit insurance policies. They are authorized only to maintain the policies in electronic form and provide a service record of all insurance policies. Insurance repositories have EIA stands for e-insurance account or electronic insurance account, which will safeguard the insurance policy documents of policyholders in electronic format. This e-insurance account will facilitate the policyholder by providing access to the insurance portfolio at a click of a button through internet. Now, IRDA has granted the certificate of registration to the following 5 entities to act as insurance repositories that are authorized to open e-insurance accounts. These are Messrs. NSDL Database Management Limited, Messrs. Central Insurance Repository Limited, Messrs. HHCIL Project Limited, Messrs. Carby Insurance Repository Limited, and Messrs. CMS Repository Services Limited. Each insurance account will have a unique account number, and each account number will be granted a unique login ID and password to access the electronic policy online. So, e-insurance account is offered free of cost to the applicants. As per the IRD guidelines, an individual cannot open multiple e-insurance accounts. An approved person is a point of sale appointed by insurance repository and will be working on behalf of insurance repository to extend the IR services. So an e-insurance account application form is one that is used by an individual to open an e-insurance account with the insurance repository. This form would be available with the insurance company, insurance repository, or approved persons. So an e-insurance account holder or policyholder is required to fill the insurance account form and submit photo ID, recent passport size photograph, cancelled check, and address proof to the office of the insurance repository or insurance company or authorized approved person appointed by the insurance repository. So the list of valid KYC documents includes identity proof, either PAN card or UID card, address proof, anyone like ration card, passport, Aadhaar letter, voter ID, driving license, bank passbook, verified copies of electricity bills, residence telephone bills, registered lease and license agreement, self-regulation by High Court and Supreme Court judges giving the new address in respect of their own account, identity card documents with address issued by central state government and its department, statutory regulatory authorities, public sector undertakings, scheduled commercial banks, public financial institutions, colleges affiliated to universities and professional bodies such as ICAI, ICWAI, Bar Council, etc. to the members. So an individual who is not having any insurance policy can open an insurance account. So after buying a policy, the policyholder can give a request for dematerialization to the insurer or insurance repository or approved persons. So an e-insurance account will be opened within 7 days from the date of submission of application, complete in all respect. Once an account is opened, a welcome kit with the details of how to operate the same would be sent to the applicant's e-insurance account holder. Now, once e-insurance account is created, you will receive a welcome kit. A PIN mailer shall be sent separately using the login credentials and PIN. You can access and start using your e-insurance account. So it is possible to convert the existing paper policies into electronic form. A service request may be made to the insurance repository or insurer or the approved person in this regard. Once you have opened an e-insurance account to buy a new policy in electronic form, you just need to quote your unique e-insurance account number in your new insurance proposal form and make a request to issue policy in an electronic form. So, all life insurance, health insurance, general insurance, and annuity policies that are issued by registered insurance companies with IRDA and who have signed up with the insurance repositories are eligible to be held in the electronic form. You will receive a mail and SMS on your registered email ID and mobile number. All the services provided by insurance repository are free of charge. So the following are the broad benefits of holding insurance policies in electronic form. There is no risk of loss or damage of a policy as is common with paper policies. So the electronic form ensures that the policies are in safe custody and can be easily accessed whenever and wherever needed. A copy of the policy can be downloaded at any time by accessing the e-insurance account. All insurance policies, be it life, pension, health, or general, can be electronically held under a single e-insurance account. This means all details of all policies are available in a single account. So the details of any of the policies can be accessed at any time by logging on to the online portal of insurance repository. So the service request in respect of e-insurance account or any of the electronic policy can be submitted at any of the insurance repository's service points. A single request can sometimes cater to the requirement of several insurers. As an illustration, a single change of address or request made to the insurance repository can update the policies issued by multiple insurers. But there would be no need to go to the several offices of individual insurers for service. An e-insurance account holder is freed from the trouble of submitting KYC details each time any policy is taken. Further, any changes in personal details like address or contact number can be effected through a single request, thus saving on paper and time. At least once every year, the insurance repository would send a statement of account to the e-insurance account holder with the details of the policies of the account holder. Premium for all policies can be paid online and several service requests can be logged from the insurance account. And this is the insurance repository functions. In addition to the insurers, the policyholders will have increased number of touch points for having their servicing needs attended. So policy benefits would be paid through electronically or electronic facility to the registered bank account, thus the ensuring speedier and convenient settlement. So single view of all policies will be made available to an authorized person in case of death of the e-insurance account holder. And then a list of policies that are credited will be available in the e-insurance account. For each policy level, details like the status, commencement, maturity, expiry, nominations, assignment, endorsement, address, terms and conditions, etc. will be available. In addition, the e-insurance account holder will be able to download a copy of the policy bond. So all requests in respect of either your e-insurance account or any of the electronic policies may be made to the insurance repository. However, request in respect of the policies can also be made directly with the insurer concerned. Upon a request, the insurance repository would handle all servicing needs that fall within the scope of their services directly and would forward the others to the insurer concerned. So an update to the policyholder would be provided by the insurance repository on the status of the request in respect of all the requests that it receives. So an authorized representative is a person who is appointed by e-insurance account holder to operate his or her e-insurance account in case of unfortunate demise or incapability of e-insurance account holder to operate the account. The authorized representative will intimate the insurance repository about the demise or incapability of policyholders with valid proof. So authorized representative can be changed by making a request to the insurance repository. Yes, both nominee and authorized representatives can be the same person. Every insurance repository will have a policyholder's grievance cell to address the grievances in respect of repository services and the electronic policy held by them. So this is all about the e-insurance account. Thank you. Thank you very much.